Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your phone settings. I'm going to click on settings right here. After you open up your phone settings, simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Google. So click on Google right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on your Google account name. Proceed with your Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security and sign in. Then what you want to do here is to simply scroll down and then under password, click on password right here. Then verify your identity. And you'll be taken right here. What you want to do right here is to enter your new password right here, confirm your new password and click on save and click on change password right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.